So in commercial leases, there are a lot of terms that would be considered critical lease terms. You have the obvious, what space am I leasing, which is important. You have the how much rent am I paying for this space. Those are two pretty critical lease provisions. The one that's also very important is what's the other stuff you're going to pay for. So for example, when it comes to maintenance and repairs, what's going to be the tenant's responsibility and what's going to be the landlord's responsibility? If something like the HVAC has to be replaced, who's going to pay for that? Is the tenant going to have to pay for that, or is the landlord going to have to pay for that? And then just general repairs, so exterior doors, plate glass, plumbing, wiring, all these things need to be thought about and contemplated. Then we have issues like, for example, real estate taxes. A lot of times the landlord passes those taxes on to the tenant. So if a tenant needs to know what's the basis upon which they're going to pay taxes, or things like common area maintenance charges. So if you're in a shopping center and there are costs associated with maintaining the shopping center, such as janitorial costs, garbage pickup, repaving the parking lot, the lighting in the parking lot, who's going to pick up these costs? And the tenant, are you going to just pay your pro rata share of those costs? Meaning that, let's say you rent 10% of the space in the shopping center, are you just going to pay 10% of the costs, or is there going to be some other type of allocation? So these are very important considerations to take into account.